and welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm sharing with you guys another grocery haul and meal plan. I hope that you guys enjoy these types of videos. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like grocery hauls or seeing what people eat. I know I love those types of videos. Alright, so what I did was I ended up going to Walmart this morning and doing the grocery pickup there. I've been doing Kroger click lists, but the last time that we went, we ended up getting some moldy cheese and a few other items that were not good. So we decided to go back to Walmart and just try them out again. It's a little bit further from our house than Kroger is, so that's why we originally switched to Kroger click lists. But I think we're gonna go back to Walmart for right now and let's just see how that works. I usually meal plan for the entire month and I have been sharing those meal plans with you guys here on YouTube, but I decided that I'm gonna start sharing 2 weeks at a time so that I can do a grocery haul and share 2 weeks of meal prep or meal planning for you guys. And then on my Instagram account, I'll still share my monthly meal plan and what we're eating for the entire month. And yes, it does change a little bit. It gets tweaked here and there throughout the month, just depending on what we have going on. But I really like grocery hauls and I just thought it would be easier to share the grocery haul and what we're eating for those 2 weeks since I always shop for 2 weeks at a time. Alright, so we're gonna start with the meal plan, what we're eating for these 2 weeks, and I started it on a Tuesday. That's when we have been grocery shopping, so we'll do from Tuesday now through 2 weeks. And I'll also make sure that I list all of the meals that we're eating down in the description box so that way that you can see it. Alright, so we are going to, it's Taco Tuesday, and so I've switched it up a little bit and we're gonna do chicken enchilada casserole and then we're gonna do leftovers tomorrow. On Thursday, we're gonna do salmon croquettes and asparagus. We've never cooked that before, so hopefully that's good. On Fridays, we always do pizza. On Saturday, we're actually planning to go out to eat. Sunday is family night, so we're gonna be eating with Chance's parents. Then Monday is chicken teriyaki and rice. Tuesday, we're gonna do sheet pan shrimp fajitas in the oven, and it looks really good. We haven't done that one before either. On Wednesday, we're gonna do chicken spaghetti. Thursday, we're doing leftovers. Friday, we're doing pizza. And then on Saturday, we're gonna do a rotisserie chicken salad. Sunday, we're doing family night again. The next Monday, we're doing broccoli chicken bacon bake, and then tacos on that following Tuesday. So that's 2 weeks worth of meal planning that I'm gonna share with you today, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got from the grocery store. The total was $147.10 for 2 weeks worth of groceries. All right, I'm gonna start with the cold foods first so I can go put these up. We got some peppers, a pack of 3. We got some asparagus. We love this spicy hummus. It's so good. We got some palmetto cheese dip. This is amazing too for a little snack. Some butter, mozzarella cheese sticks or string cheese for the kids' lunch or snack. Some new cheese because our shredded cheddar that we got last week was all moldy from Kroger. We got 2 loaves of bread. I always put 1 in the freezer. We got another green pepper. This is for our chicken spaghetti. We got milk, and it's the fat-free milk. We got some green onion, strawberries, blueberries, some Go-Gurt for the kids. Chance likes the mini Sprites, and then Diet Dr. Peppers for me. I just got a 12-pack. A purple onion. And then pancakes, I always get the frozen pancakes. We got some salmon fillets, and this is the boneless, skinless ones, and they're all ready to cook. Some cooked medium-sized shrimp, and these are already peeled and deveined. Then some more chicken breasts. I just got the Great Value brand. We got some corn dogs. These are like a last resort if we need to change our dinner plans for the kids. And for some snacks, for the kids, I wanted to get some dried fruit, so we got this mixed fruit. We got some cranberries, sweetened dried cranberries, some dried pineapple, and then I got 2 things of muffins. We got blueberry mix and wild berry. My kids love muffins. And then I got these Stacy's pita chips. We love this with the hummus, and we like to eat it with the pimento cheese as well. Some Great Value pretzel twists. And then I got panko breadcrumbs. That is for the salmon that we're gonna be cooking. I got 2 packs of these chewy variety granola bars in the Great Value brand. I'm hoping that the kids will like this. We usually get the Quaker brand, but they were out. And then I got some spaghetti for our chicken spaghetti, some Mexican rice, some capers, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, some light mayonnaise. We got some teriyaki sauce, some ketchup, stewed tomatoes. This is for our chicken spaghetti, enchilada sauce for our chicken enchiladas. I got this Cheez-It snack mix for a snack for the kids for school. Some coconut dream cookies. If you've been watching, you know these are my favorite cookies. And then the kids requested some with M&Ms and some regular chocolate chip cookies. I didn't realize I got reduced fat. We got some chicken broth, some organic bananas, and then this variety pack of Lay's chips, and it's 20 packs in there total. And that is all of the groceries that we got. And this will last us for 2 weeks. This week I will probably have to still go get more milk or just a few items, but for the most part we're ready for dinners and breakfast and even some lunches for next week. Alright guys, so that is it for this grocery haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any of the recipes that I talked about as a cook and clean with me or a cook with me or any of that, so that I can film those for you. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!